Melody Dove, and this is What the Wellness, the show where I try out the latest and greatest wellness trends, treatments, and experiences to find out what's actually worth it. Today, I'm at the spa by Joanna Vargas to get the Supernova facial with a true leader in the skincare industry and esthetician to the stars, Joanna Vargas. She knows that getting that glow for celebrities and non-celebrities alike is more than just skin deep. Stress, sleep, self-care, it all plays a role when it comes to maintaining healthy skin. To learn a little bit more how we can all get that red carpet confidence, I'm gonna go sit down with Joanna Vargas herself. Can you please tell us who you are, what you do, and where we are?
My name is Joanna Vargas. I'm the founder of Joanna Vargas Skincare, and we are in my New York City salon.
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you tell us more about your specific approach to skincare?
Well, I really tried to combine like the latest technologies in every treatment that I do, and I look at myself as somebody who really curates treatments for my clients and puts together the right technologies and the right sequence so you can be the best version of yourself.
Can you tell us how you got started?
I first moved to New York to be a photographer. I had dreams of being a fashion photographer, but soon found that the industry wasn't for me.
Yeah.
So I went to esthetician school and kind of fell in love with taking care of people. And so I gave myself a year in the business and I've never looked back.
Can you share some of your tips for everyday skincare maintenance? How do you think people should approach their skincare routines?
That's a great question. My philosophy is to keep it simple. It doesn't need 50 steps in your routine in order to achieve a certain result. You really need to follow the basics. Wash your face before bed, wear sunscreen every day, and I truly believe everybody should use a retinol at night before they go to bed, whether you are struggling with acne or breakouts, or if you're concerned with losing elasticity or uneven pigment. Retinol is sort of the magic solution.
I love that. I love one key ingredient we can all start using more. I imagine there's a little bit more that goes into kind of a long-term red carpet glow than just one facial one time.
Sure. I mean, obviously as an esthetician, I believe that having regular facials on a monthly basis is really important. But in addition to that, things like getting enough sleep at night, eating lots of vegetables, and trying to take steps to reduce your stress in your everyday life really go a long way into what you see when you look in the mirror. A lot of times even breakouts have a direct connection to how you manage your stress. But in addition to that, I always preach one thing. I think a lot of people spend a lot of mirror time invalidating themselves or criticizing themselves. And if you could take 1 minute of every night while you're washing your face, because of course you're doing that, and think of one good thing that you did today or one thing that you love about yourself, it could really change how you feel about yourself when you look in the mirror. And that's something that I could never do for you.
Yeah.
I'm just here to encourage you to do it.
I love that, and it's so true. How you feel affects how you look more than anything else, just from how you look at yourself. So today we're going through the Supernova facial. Can you describe that to me? What are we gonna get into?
So the facial's gonna be an hour. It's one of my favorite services to deliver. It's super popular during award season, and by the end you are going to be glowing like a supernova.
I'm gonna need to make some plans for after this. Gonna take this face somewhere. All right, well, I think we should get started.
Let's do it. The first step is exfoliation. So today I am going to exfoliate you with a diamond-tipped wand, and it's going to remove the dead skin cells, the surface dirt. Basically, we're going to take New York City off of your face.
That's exactly what I need.
I am just going over your skin with a rose water, just to make sure the surface of the skin is completely prepped and ready for the masking steps. It's really important to infuse the skin once you've exfoliated, and what your skin needs is hydration. Now I'm going to do a double layer of a mask, which is really going to be incredible for your skin. The first layer, I am going to be using my Twilight mask. It is infused with epidermal growth factor. Actually, the epidermal growth factor from this mask is created from 39 different fruits and vegetables. So it's kind of like a super ingredient, if you will. It's very hydrating, it's very soothing for the skin. It's a bit of a go-to for us here at the salon when we do have somebody with sensitive skin. I think you're gonna feel an instant difference in
the farmer's market on my face. That's where my head just went.
That's amazing. I might steal that from you.
You saw your.
So now I am prepping you for the second layer that's going on your skin. I feel like I'm baking a cake right now. I'm prepping your mask. It also smells amazing.
It's amazing how soothing it is to just have someone else touch your face.
Right? Isn't that sort of a basic need that we should all have someone hold our faces in their hands.
I really think you have a magic touch.
I truly love it. You know, I've been doing facials for over 20 years and I've never stopped enjoying it. And at the end of the day, I truly think that it does build confidence for people. If you can figure out the puzzle of their skin, they're gonna walk away feeling better about themselves. And what's better than that?
I would respond, but I feel kind of mummified in here.
You are mummified.
It's nice. How long do you leave this on for?
Usually I like to leave it on for 20 minutes or so. So it really has time to do its thing, hydrate you, and you're gonna be super relaxed when it comes off. All right, we are ready to take this off of you.
I feel like I look better already. Feels
Doesn't
better
your
already.
skin feel so good right now? So now I'm going to apply my rescue serum, which is my vitamin C serum. It's an oil-based serum. It contains vitamin C and squalene, which is an ingredient from the sea. It's just so nourishing for the skin, and it gives it that oily feel to it.
Feels
But
really nice.
Yeah, it really penetrates well into the skin. I'm actually applying more rescue serum to your skin because your skin just drank all of that up.
I need an extra rescue.
You need more rescuing. So I'm just applying a little bit more because I want a little bit more slip on your face for the next step.
Which is?
Microcurrent.
Oh, goody. Can you tell us a little bit about what microcurrent is and what it does?
Absolutely. So microcurrent is one of the oldest beauty technologies that I have at the salon. It's vintage, but the machines are constantly updated. The technology is constantly updated. It does three things. It drains out excess puffiness, it stimulates the muscle, and it also increases collagen production by about 5 to 6%, which I know sounds like a conservative number, but in the life of your skin, it's an incredible number and something that we want to do on a regular basis. This is actually probably my favorite part of the service. This is cryotherapy. Have you ever had this before?
I've had on my body. I don't
like
know that I've
in the refrigerator?
Yes, this feels so good.
Right? Now I am going to do an oxygen treatment. The oxygen is infused with a serum I make of green tea, vitamins, and aloe, and a little bit of hyaluronic acid, so it's super light, very healing and soothing for the skin. And I'm using the oxygen just to push it into your skin right now. It's kind of like taking a little eraser and working it into all the little spaces on your face so that you really pick up the glow. So right now I'm applying my Eden serum, which is a hyaluronic acid stem cell serum. Super healing, soothing, and light, so it's not going to make you break out even when your skin is sensitive. And this finally is my Eden Pro moisturizer. It is also a stem cell product, It's very light, it's very rich and hydrating. Moisturizers really help hold hydration into the skin better, and they help prevent water loss during the day. And all of that stuff I did to you, you didn't even really get red once, even though your skin is super sensitive.
It feels good. I can't even see it.
When you know what's right for your skin, it's gonna feel right. Great, now you're red carpet ready.
Just gotta find the red carpet. That was amazing. Joanna is a legend in the skincare facial space. That facial was really customized to my skin. She kind of took some time to look at my face, decide what I needed, and adapted the facial as we moved through it, which, I mean, like she said, skincare is so unique to the individual, and I feel like getting a facial that really feels like it's being adapted as you go through it really feels like a unique experience, and I cannot wait to come back, because now that I've had Joanna's fingers on my face, I don't know if I can live without them. Her hands are magic. New York, LA, get yourself to Joanna Vargas. It is a truly immersive experience, and it's also great for your skin, so like, you can't go wrong. My grandmother, who was not famous for spending money, used to say that if you're gonna invest in one thing, it should be your face, and I feel like Joanna Vargas is an incredible thing to invest in. It's absolutely worth it. Can't wait to come back. I'm Ella Dove, and this is What the Wellness. If you want more What the Wellness, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel right now.